Nature of clinical sociology. First, clinical sociology is the branch of sociology. Second, clinical sociology concerned with the assessment and treatment of physical, mental illness, social disabilities, emotional disorders, and behavioral problems. Three, clinical sociology promoting human adaptation, adjustment, personal effectiveness, satisfaction, and resilient behavior. Four, clinical sociology focuses on the intellectual, emotional, biological, psychosocial, and behavioral aspects of human functioning across the lifespan in varying cultures and at all socio-economic levels. 5. Clinical sociology is a science that generates research efforts to discover and validate information about what people are like and why they behave and as they do. 6. Clinical sociology analyzes and conforms sociological information to provide clinical realities to unsolved or undiagnosed clinical problems. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.